Hello everyone, I'm Dhruv. I from the team Garib 2.0 will be presenting our KrackHack submission. So that is time it. That is our perspective on the digitalized time clocks. Digitalized time capsules. So have you ever been in a pinch that you just had the greatest adventure of your life, but it's just a week past and you have already forgot about the rustle at the last coffee shop. But what if you had some way of storing those memories and cherishing them in the future? Enter our solution, time it. So as I said, time it is our perspective at the digitalized time capsules and how we look at them and how they can be used for interacting with other friends and families. Now let's have a look at the flows of this application.
I'm Vivek. So this is the dashboard of our website, Time It. So let's have a look at the features. So as you can see, there are a lot of features right now. You can see personal groups and a share button and a profile icon. And you will be wondering what is this all about. So I'm gonna just carry you through this. So the first one is create capsule. It's just simply you have a text box and you can just create a capsule. So let's deep dive into it. uh, Let me upload an image. So I'm gonna upload the image of Venice, let's say. And suppose I have to share a memory such that it stays in the core of it. Sometimes it happens that we want to share something but we forgot about it. So we have incorporated a mic button so that I can just say, "Hey, Vivek, I'm Vivek and I'm recording this," so that it just records and I can then use this. Then it's the date feature. So this feature is used for locking. Basically what happens is, since it is a time capsule, so you will definitely lock it. So I'll just set a date and I'll set a time. So it will open on 28th Feb at 5:46 a.m. And then if I have to set a location, I'll set Venice. Let's say I'll set this. Okay, and then okay. Now I am a bit lazy, so I don't wanna write the description. So what I'll do is I'll just use the magic, and it will automatically write the description and the caption. And yes, it takes incorporation of the image, and if you even if you write text, it also takes that. So I'll just create this capsule, and boom, it gets created. Okay, yeah. So once it gets created, and I'll just refresh the page. Yeah, you can see your upcoming capsules on the right side, which is just like uh, an easy task, because if you have 100 number of capsules, then you can just simply browse from here. Okay, now what happens if the capsule gets matured? Matured here means the it reaches the date of opening. Then we will see this, the as you can see, the padlock is gone and the image is clearly visible. And when I click this, I'll be redirected to another UI where I'll see the images. Currently there are only two, and if the images increase, it will adjust the grid size automatically. And here is the caption, the description, the owner, which is me of course, and the destination, and this. Okay, it's the part where I create my personal capsules. But what happens if I want to share? Because memories are worth only while sharing. So what can I do is I'll just click on share, and what if my friend Dhruv wants it, then I can share. Dhruv wants to see my capsule. So I've copied my his share ID. I'll just paste it and share him. And that's it. It got shared to him. Let's now deep dive from personal to groups. As you can see, there is a sidebar and these are some components that will come later to it. So there are two types of groups. One is public and one is personal. As you can see, this is a public group, and why it is coming here? Because I have pinned that group, or maybe I'm the owner, right? So this icon displays that this group is public, and this icon displays a padlock, a red padlock of course, that this group is private. So let's create a private group. I'll just go here and I'll create, let's say, expecto IIT Mundi, uh, tech fest of IIT Mundi. Yeah, and I'll make this private and I'll create the group. Yeah, and it got created as you can see there. So basically, since as the name suggests, it's a group, so I should be able to collaborate, right? So what I'll do it, I'll just do it and paste my friend's user link. This is his unique ID, which he can clearly get from just clicking on this button, and I'll just get it from WhatsApp. For I'll just click on this and click on share, and it will get shared to him. Okay, or now let's go inside that. So when you go inside the group, you get the same interface like a create capsule, basically which was similar to like personal. And as you can see that these groups are also on my sidebar. So let's create, suppose let's I create a pronite function passes. Caption will be pronite, and I'll just add a random image for now. Let's say I add this, and it will be going live on 28th. Okay, location will be Monday. Yeah, so I'll just create this time capsule. It gets created and it will get fetched here. Yeah, so it's right here. So now as you can see that since I have created the group, it's showing me my icon. So I'll now ask my friend Dhruv to make his part.
Hello, welcome back. So this is one of the posts shared by my friend. You can see from his avatar. I can also view this post if I want to. Yeah, so these are the same photos he uploaded. Now let's jump into the groups. In the groups, there are two kind of groups. These are the groups that I had created, and these are the ones that I got invited to. Let's drop into the Spectro group. There are already some capsules related to some admin stuff, or maybe even pro net performances. Yeah, I will also upload some selfies that I took with the uh, performers. Yeah, so uh, let's set the time to maybe January, and 10 a.m. would be fine. Location is of course Monday. Yeah, this is updated here. This will also get updated here. You can see. Uh, yeah. So these were the groups, and you can see there are multiple collaborations between me and also by my friend. Yeah. So now for the future aspects of the project, something that we would like to focus is optimizing our code for better deployment and scalability for more users. Also, we would like to implement more features from other social media like comments, likes, and maybe other features also. And one more thing that we want to focus is on minor bug fixes to improve the overall UI UX for the end user. These will be our main focuses. That's it from my side. Signing off.